I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to reset your home screen layout on your Android device running Pixel Launcher. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your Android device. Step 2. Tap Apps and then tap See All Apps. Step 3. Scroll through the list and tap Pixel Launcher. Step 4. Tap Storage and Cache in this menu. Step 5. Tap Clear Storage and then tap Delete on the confirmation pop-up. The next time you return to your home screen, your device will instantly wipe your custom layout and restore the default icon arrangement with the default Google search bar and stock app icons right where they were when you first turned on the device. As a quick tip, resetting the Pixel Launcher will not uninstall any of your downloaded apps, photos, or personal data. It simply removes your custom app shortcuts, folders, and widgets from the screen. If you find that your home screen gets cluttered because new apps automatically add themselves whenever you download them, you can prevent this from happening again. Just press and hold an empty spot on your home screen, tap Home Settings, and toggle off the switch labeled Add App Icons to Home Screen. This keeps your newly downloaded apps safely tucked away in your app drawer until you decide to manually drag them out. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.